very frankly, we have been traveling throughout the country campaigning. We also have a sense of what the reality is on the ground. We're very happy to wait and see what the votes actually tell us. I mean, exit polls are deeply unscientific. We all know this. I think last year the majority of exit polls got the results wrong in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. These things happen. I mean, so to my mind, what we are interested in is the real poll. That is the ballots, the votes of Janta Janardhan, which is going to determine our political future. So today is the first. We'll wait till the 4th and then we can talk. Thank you.
Most of the exit poll have predicted that they are going to get the seats in the southern state where they
Listen, I am.
even in your state, sir.
Yeah. I am quite confident that that is not going to be the case. I don't believe that. I've not seen these polls because I've been on stage at the function that you've been here for. But I can say that, to my mind, the only poll that matters is what actually went into the machines when people press the button. And I think we'll have to see those before we come to any reaction. I don't see the BJP gaining much ground in the south. All accounts are they will lose significantly in Karnataka, and they certainly won't gain in either Tamil Nadu or Kerala. But again, let's wait. We'll find out soon enough in 3 days' time.
All the exit polls across the channels, across the polls agencies, the exit poll agencies are clearly saying the third term for the.
Well, why are you surprised? This is what we kept telling you, that these are Sarkari exit polls. This is what they are going to show. Just as they showed what they showed in 2004 and they were proved completely wrong. So, just take this with a big pinch of salt and take it as an source of entertainment.
ये सरकारी एग्जिट पोल हैं, ये नरेंद्र मोदी के एग्जिट पोल हैं। जनता ने भी एक एग्जिट पोल किया और उसका आंकड़ा 295 इंडिया के फेवर में आ रहा है। ये साइंटिफिक तरीके से जो हमारी मीटिंग यहाँ पर चली, हमारा हर एलआई वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट था, उन्होंने आंकड़े लिखकर कौन कौन सी सीट है, कितनी मार्जिन से भी जीत सकते हैं, इस पर भी चर्चा हुई। तो मेरा अपना मानना है कि सब घटक दलों के नेता यहाँ पर थे, शीर्ष नेतृत्व के लोग थे, उन लोगों ने उस पर चर्चा करी। बड़ा साइंटिफिक तरीके से हम लोगों को अंदाजा है कि हम कितनी सीटें जीत रहे हैं। 295 से एक सीट कम नहीं होगी, ये वृहद परिवार अभी बढ़ेगा ही। और तो मुझे लगता है जनता के एग्जिट पोल में और सरकारी एग्जिट पोल जो टीवी पर दिखाकर झुंझुना चलाया जा रहा है, उसमें बहुत अंतर है।